To access the Timesheets component in mobohubb, first log into the web portal. From the left-hand menu, scroll down to the Productivity section and select Timesheets. Once inside, you will see the current week by default. You can navigate between weeks using the forward and backward controls, or select today to return to the current week at any time. You can also filter the view to display pending timesheets, approved timesheets, or all timesheets. In this example, we are viewing all timesheets. From here, you also have the option to export the information. Supervisors can approve timesheets in different ways. You can approve all timesheets at once or approve individual records by clicking on the status and changing it from pending to approved or back if needed. Once a timesheet is approved, it will appear in green for easy identification. All users are displayed in the list, and you can select a specific user to export or approve their records, or select multiple users and apply changes as needed. If a cell shows a small red triangle, it indicates that the record has been modified. If you need to edit a record that has not yet been approved, simply click on the three dots and update the information. Each record also includes details such as the total worked hours, available GPS information, and an audit log that shows what changes were made and when. Additional information can be understood through the floating text that appears when hovering over certain fields. The Timesheets feature helps supervisors maintain a clear and accurate record of worked hours, making it easier to review attendance, validate time before payroll, and keep reliable documentation of workforce activity.